Have you been growing microgreens all wrong? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 microgreen mistakes most beginners make, and you won't want to miss this. Plus, I have a secret tip coming up that will blow your mind. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Connor with Amelia Island Microgreens, and we're excited to be the go-to place for everything microgreens. Our mission is to educate and empower people to gain even better health and food security by growing their own food in just 7 days. So let's get on with the video.
Growing microgreens can be incredibly rewarding. They pack a nutritional punch and add a vibrant touch to any meal. However, microgreens come with their own set of challenges. Tackling these issues early is key to keeping them healthy. Let's dive into common problems and solutions. Mold is one of the biggest challenges growers face. It can be really disheartening to see mold take over your carefully nurtured greens. Mold typically appears because of overwatering or poor ventilation. Let's talk about how to combat mold when growing microgreens. First things first, avoid overwatering. Water with about half to 1 cup per day after germination. Check back in 15 minutes and empty any excess water. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of mold. Good ventilation is also crucial, so consider using a small fan. Here's a secret tip. One of the biggest challenges with mold is knowing if you're actually seeing mold or just root hairs. Microgreens often have white, fluffy roots that can easily be mistaken for mold. Here's a quick test. Take a spray bottle and mist the roots. If the fluff disappears, it's just root hairs. But if it stays put, you're dealing with mold. This little trick can save you a lot of worry and keep your microgreens healthy and mold-free. Problem 2. Leggy growth. Leggy growth is caused by insufficient light. They grow tall and thin, stretching towards the light source. Solution. Let's tackle leggy microgreens. Take them out of germination on day 3 or 4. Invest in good quality grow lights. Rotate your trays regularly. This ensures even light distribution. Follow these tips for sturdy, vibrant microgreens. Problem 3. Pathogen-tested seeds are crucial for healthy E. coli outbreaks happen because seeds weren't tested. Yikes. Get seeds from a trusted source. We use organic, non-GMO, heirloom, pathogen-tested seeds. This ensures your microgreens are safe and healthy. Don't skimp on this step. Your health depends on it.
The reason why I care so much about preventing these common problems is because I've been there myself. I remember the first time that my hard work turned into a moldy mess. And for many people, that's where they stop. They don't continue growing and learning from the microgreen challenges, because that first time of just seeing a moldy mess, it can mess with you. It can be such a disappointment. That's why I'm here to share my 12 years of microgreen growing experience, so that you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. I discovered effective solutions that made a huge difference. Now I'm passionate about sharing these same tips with you so that you don't have to go through those same pitfalls.
Problem 4. You put in all that effort to grow your microgreens only to discover they're too densely packed and moldy, or worse, you didn't plant enough seeds and end up with a tiny yield. To find the perfect seed density, measure your tray, use an online seed calculator, and input your microgreen variety. For a no-math solution, try microgreen kits. Just unbox, follow the steps, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Here's a secret tip to avoid common microgreen mistakes. Always label your trays with the date and seed type. It's a game changer. Track growth stages and identify issues early. Now that you've got some great tips, in our next video, we'll dive into more challenges and how to overcome them. Plus, tips on dealing with mold. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with tips and advice. Click the link or head over to ameliaislandmicrogreens.com/01. Click on the video on your screen right now and I'll see you there.